Hey guys, so if you're looking to start your own print-on-demand business, I'm going to go ahead and show you what file type and format you should be using. So let's go ahead and open Adobe Illustrator. From there, we're going to go to File, New, and within the new document settings, let's go ahead and do a custom. I already have one set saved, so we'll name this one Ape Shirt, and you want 15 inches and 19 inches for the height. The bleed's not really necessary. What is important is that you have a CMYK color mode. RGB is for the web, CMYK is going to be for all things that are printed. You're going to want 300 ppi. That's going to give you the highest points per inch, which will allow your artwork to be as detailed as possible. And once you have your artwork, you're going to want to, put what you're going to print onto the t-shirt. And keep in mind that you always want to be ready for the correct color that you're going to be printing on. So I'm going to be printing on a black t-shirt, so I have mine set up so that if I were to throw a black background onto the canvas and then send it to the back, it looks pretty decent. Now obviously I'm not actually going to sell this t-shirt, but it is just an example. So then we'll go ahead and we'll save it, and once we save it as an Adobe Illustrator file, we're set to go. Once that's done saving, we can go ahead and hit OK for the default settings. It'll continue to save, and once it's done, we'll go ahead and export. And when we export it, we want to export it as a PNG. The PNG will give you the highest resolution, and it'll also give you the option to put it in a transparent background. So go ahead and export that as a PNG. Now, the thing that you're going to do next is you're going to want to head over to Printify or Printful or Merch by Amazon, and you're going to want to upload this to whatever t-shirt that you'd like. But you will have your PNG format, so if you were to take it, I can't remember the folder, so downloads, right? If I go to my downloads folder, then you will see that right in here I have my Ape Shirt PNG. This is going to be the file that you're going to want to use when you're exporting onto your t-shirt.